Hello beautiful, thanks for stopping by my channel. So in today's video, I'm unboxing the Passionate box for the month of April 2018, and the curator is Anshu Soni, and they are available on Instagram and as well on WhatsApp. Details are mentioned here. So here's what we received in today's box. The packaging has a small leaflet which she adds every single month. And what I really like this month is that she has supported a small box maker in town to encourage woman power. So that's really very thoughtful of her, and kudos to her on doing the little that she can, and I really appreciate that. So here's a list of all the items that we've received in this month's box. Its theme is Summery Box, and I'm going to show you what is there in it. It has a total of 2,200 rupees worth products, and I got this for $4.99 plus shipping. As always, she gets full points for packaging. She literally goes ahead and packs each and every product that's there in the box. Not everybody does that, so that's a good thing. The first item I received in the box is this fancy watermelon pen. The next item is this Forhead mask. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this. The next item we received is this M-Caffeine Liquid Funk shower gel. It's paraben free and it's a 50 ml product. I have already received this. I haven't used this yet. The next product is a silicone nose mask, and again, this is something that's new. I've never tried this. This and the forehead mask is something that I'm looking forward to try. I also received this pair of earrings. I really like loops, so I'm excited that I received this. Next, I received this nail paint. It's the Chimera High Shine Matte nail paint, and it's in the color green. I wouldn't have ever picked this, but again, probably it will be nice to try with some nail art. The next item is this cute keychain with a storage box. It is so adorable. I am so excited about this product. It's so cute. I really like this product. Finally, we received this Instant Glow Magic Pack. It is from the brand Magic Dust. It's a chocolate instant glow magic pack. It says it is a natural, no chemicals included, organic product, and it says it's suitable for all skin types, and this is how the packaging came. And this box's MRP was 750 rupees. It also mentions all the products in it, and it's a chocolate face pack. I'm really excited to try this out. I will upload a review of it. There was some oil that leaked out, but all in all, the packing was done really well. So these are all the items that I received. Check the description box for more detail.